Eh.
What's up?
My tamamo.
Odogwu Bobo.
Aye. My tamamo decided to do my hair today.
After stressing me.
My love said that my hair is too grown to be useless.
Yes.
Let me use the hair to show you that I grew up in the north.
To renew my plating skills. Well, I have so many skills.
I call my big head keep for am now. Nene.
The head too big. Aye, Jesus Christ. Thank God for your body, Sha. Thank God that your big stomach, your flat yash, and your long legs complemented your head. If not, how would you be carrying this your big head?
You are a very, very foolish girl.
Do you know how many hours we made this hair? Isi ekwere agwụ agwụ. Why? Because isi agboncha.
See as the hair they pay me, it just the I see. Nah, yeah. Oh yeah, come wine no because is this what women will sit down for hours and be doing their hair? Hey,
You never see John.
look at me forming flesh. Make I deform flesh for the camera.
Making this your head, I realized, making your hair that is on your head made me realize, Chijoke, you don't have threshold for pain. You cannot endure pain. You cannot endure pain. Child.
All the pain that you gave me, Kwan, how did I endure it?
Which stupid pain did I give you?
All the heart attack and all the mental stress that you used to give me when you were pregnant with our son with
ordinary otukuru, ordinary tomatoes. If you see what this baby man was telling me, easy. At a point I wasn't even combing the hair, I wasn't even cutting the hair, I was using my fingers. Child.
Look at how mean she is, as if she knows what she's doing.
So I don't know what I'm doing.
Before God, you know what I did. Nah, I dey chew block because one day any of the Julie, I just dey chew the block. I don't even remember say something they do for my hair, but at the time it was paining me, baby. I not gonna lie.
I don't understand what was paining you.
Baby, your hand dey pain.
My hand. So this is the. Anyways, it's not your fault. Shebi, next time you bring your head for me to come and make it.
Try.
But look at me now. See skill. Do you know how much it would even cost you to make this hair in a salon?
500 naira. Yeah, 500
Oh my God! I took my time. I was making the hair with love. I was making the hair with understanding, with peace. I was making the hair with so many enthusiasm. Where I said, okay, now I had to. No, don't worry. Next time, Sha. Uzo dimma gaya how many times you joking?
Hope Uzo dimma. You were in state. Baby, this hair was doing me vam. I couldn't sleep.
Who times you couldn't sleep?
Okay, mama na mo no de lo nwe that no ye got me si gebu mebu.
No worry now. Shebi second time you were not begging me. You knelt down. You were begging me to make your hair. Amarazi monye buru that you said you wanted to look like. I said, don't worry, but then I made your hair. And now you can beat your chest and say you are even finer than that role model you should be, but no one. No wala. I took my time for hours. I was making your hair. I will be making your hair. You see me now, say, you put your hair this little. You couldn't even, nah, don't worry, Sha. Udodi.
The only thing I was enjoying in this your hair making was your soft laughs and your soft bobby. I go just there, my head go touch the bobby. I go say, okay, at least make I use one to console myself. Not knowing that my hair that I'm when I try.
You're just lucky. Do you know how fortunate you are? I remember those days when we used to make hair. One of the things I dreaded most was sitting between a woman's laps because Imara, if you don't know what you will get, easy corrector. Hey God! You put the style they call two hand. Open it you face it in my bottom power. The kind of what will be oozing out, child.
Thank God,
my fellow girls will relate. Those the northerners.
Thank God, say no be me they talk this one. Now woman they talk
But see how you are enjoying it. Nothing was oozing out.
Who tell you?
Nothing was oozing out. It was just caramel, watermelon, strawberry scent that was just coming out.
I'm glad that the shaming is coming from a fellow woman. No me talk that one.
Ladies, so please be watching those parts because at the end you don't know when anything can happen. So that you people will not make nah, let me not talk too much.
Don't be lie. If to say I perceive anything, that's the end of this hair making. You'll be asking me, baby, what's wrong? Say you don't worry, headache. You don't know that the aching that I'm having is not in my head, it's in my nose. But thank God. But
so that one you're saying is
that one is from you and your fellow women. I no go talk that one before they will say that I am now shaming women. That one concern. Even I know it's on the receive among myself. When I tell myself the truth, let it be woman to woman. My own is that this hair they pay me. Say as I they just I just they hold myself for a year.
The thing be say you know strong. You know get one. You are not strong. You keep telling me that I'm soft, this and that. I cannot do this and I cannot do that. Just ordinary hair that I want. Do you know that I sit down for hours to make braid? Do you know how we? I sit for hours and now film. We can't film. I'm the only one making this your hair and you're saying it's painful. Do you know that sometimes ladies, 3 persons will shook hand for
Not
one
true,
person
not
head?
true.
Do you know how what it
true.
is?
I they say for him or about man that time for him on nature. That place we say they make hair for nature. Obama.
Okay, I don't
You
know
go
where
see
we
three hands go down on your head. I dog it Jerusalem. I dog it, but
sometimes some women know they allow their customers to use mirror because why? Because if you use mirror, if you see more than 10 hands, and all those men when they very fast, they use jazz. If you use mirror, you put mirror for this local people place. You go see spirits where they make it, and once you see them, you go run mad. That happened. Yes, it happened in Port Harcourt, one of my areas.
Jesus Christ.
For my present self, nothing happened. I see with my two.
Juju?
Yes. The woman they make the hair, the lady calling, she said, no use mirror. She can't use mirror, she use mirror.
She can't see plenty hands.
She see plenty hands. She can't shout Jesus. The next thing no be Jesus she shout because Jesus not gonna make you, Jesus will save you. She shouts, Chai!
Ewo.
She can't run mad.
Hey.
So for your this is an awareness to others too. If na go roadside salons, make una no dey use mirror so una no go run mad. You sef you get luck say I know they use jazz. If say I dey use jazz, you can't dey talk of mirror.
You just say you use jazz. Maybe you self they use man hand. Maybe one of your ancestors will be man. Balomba, all those old men will be say they do wrestling. Maybe not their hand they use do me because maybe say if they pay me on a dumb van say I talk I'm saying they do me for body.
No worry, don't worry. That's the way they find you go see him. That headache way they find you go see him. But don't be me go give you shot.
At least we use this one bond small.
Yeah.
After our brouhaha, we use this one and say more use a bond because you're my love, and I'm your love too. Baby, okay?
You're not my love.
Jesus, hey, you're a bad woman.
Yeah, I'm not my love. God is my witness. God created
it's like this
in His image. So I'm not a bad woman. It's like what?
Make a no talk, say.
No, say it now. I say no, they fear. If you talk with you, want talk.
It's like this small dragon. They drag you, never do you.
They don't. Who born them? Who born them to drag me? Queen Aisha.
Hey,
Queen of Basbus. Is it Basbus?
Jesus, they will drag the hell out of your life.
Drag devil in my life, not drag heaven in my life. Which one is devil? If like say me and devil get you, this is how they
say you don't finish.
Yes.
See,
just 2 minutes, don't they?
Okay.
Okay, thank your stars that you're not a woman.
Okay.
If you were a woman, if you're not good at run,
if you pose more, just the snap picture small.
Nozaline, mama, see knows a beg. Who knows tomorrow? Hi. See, who knows tomorrow? Okay, who knows tomorrow?
Now my baby can't even they shame me.
Don't worry, I will continue.
Baby, let's remind them, we are still accepting gifts. We are still accepting gift. It's not fair.
Otochukwu is waiting for your gift. What are you waiting for?
We are still accepting new baby gift. If you love us, Odogwu and Aisha lovers.
Worldwide.
It is not for mouth.
Yes, so I broke for mouth. Are you people when the brouhaha happened? I saw so many persons that were interested in our union. You people should not ask us, what does this newborn need? Check here, what do you get, baby? What do you pampers?
we need we need everything you can give
We need
us.
everything you can give us. So
Bless our life. Oh.
bless our lives with baby things.
Let's use it and drink cold
baby
malt.
birds, baby car seats.
My baby need
pillow.
malt. They don't insult my baby tire. She needs cold Fanta.
No, I don't need malt. Now, nursing mothers don't take malt.
Okay, need.
We take
Baby,
pap,
pose. Hey, come out your smelly mouth from my face, I beg.
We need all of those things.
Hey. Yeah.
They shout. Your own, like you are a shouter. You are a shouter. What was I even saying?
We are telling them that our baby needs
okay,
gifts.
Julius Beggar, you were begging them for something, okay?
We are online beggars, no problem. Proudly.
We are online beggars with our big nose and our.
We are official online beggars.
They
there's
say
no problem.
ask and you shall receive, so we are asking.
We love you all. We love you all. Bye bye.